I have some peaches right here. This is I would call them the pink peaches right here. You can get them in the local shop or your supermarket. Is some fruits. I'm gonna make a smoothie from it today. Look at this, guys. So the first thing what you need to do is get a lovely root piece of a ginger, remove the skin like this. Nice one. All right. Secondly, get yourself a lemon or a lime and remove the skin. Very important with the skin section. So I'm just removing the skin from it. Nice one. Get yourself a blender or whatever you have. Cut the lemon into some pieces and put it straight inside of the blender. Same thing with the ginger. I'm using a lot of ginger inside of it. Chunky style. Get yourself a teaspoon of honey. Organic honey is very good. Now get yourself the peach. Cut them up into some small pieces. They do have seeds, so you don't want to put the seeds in it. Nice one. So basically, as you can see, this one have a little like, but I think it's just overripe. It's pretty good. Just cut them up into some small pieces and just put them inside a blender. This one is definitely small. I'm not gonna use this one. All right. Straight inside of the blender. I love these peaches. I call them the pink peaches. They're so sweet and nice, guys. Honestly, if you're at home and and you're doing this is just pretty good to go with it. All right. Now, just gonna put a little bit of water in it, not much, and we're just gonna simple blend this. You can add ice, but I'm using a small blender, so it's gonna a little bit difficult to put so many things in it, because you want to keep the blender free for running. All right, but as you can see, look at that color and it right up there. Look at that, amazing. Now we're just gonna simply take this to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. More long. So look at this. What I'm gonna do, normally I didn't put ice in it before, so I'm just gonna put some ice in it. And then I'm gonna pour this inside of it like this. Alright, so that definitely gonna cool it down to that temperature what you're looking for. Look at that, amazing, fantastic, lovely. The texture, it is just lovely. Look at that, guys, fantastic. Alright, so as I said, you guys definitely can make this at home. Very easy, very simple, and the techniques behind it is just like you can drink it anytime you like to drink it. So it's amazing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and as I said, we have a lot more recipes, we got a lot more ideas, and thank you for watching, and subscribe is very important. Stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.